Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I had said ask y'all on Instagram if y'all wanted me to make a cooking video, and I'm gonna do ceviche. Ya tengo aquí the tomato, la cebolla, cilantro, y a little bit of jalapeño because estaba bien picoso, y limones cortados for after. Let me wash my hands so I can get the camarón. Ok, so yo voy a hacer el ceviche con tilapia. Aquí tengo dos tilapias con limón. And let me show you. So I'm using this little bag. Y vienen 4 tilapias. Y yo usé 2. Y también voy a usar shrimp. Todo esto lo he comprado en el Aldi. So you can find this anywhere. You could find, I think these are like $6 or $5. So I did 2, which is this amount. So what I'm doing is for 2 or 4 people. So aquí le ponemos limón y le remojando, and then you add it at the end all together. I used 4 tomatoes, la mitad de una cebolla y como 4 rajas de cilantro. You cut it into little small pieces. Mine are not that small because no sé cortar. So, déjame sacar los camarones. One hour later. This is going to take forever. I'm just going to dump the water out. Okay. So I was thinking of cutting the shrimp, but it's a little bit too small. So I might just like peel them off and just leave it like that. So I'm gonna start peeling them off. Como que para mí cerquita no. So I'm gonna peel all of them off. You could cut them up so if you wanna make it como que sea más, but I think for us it's fine. Está caliente esto. También calientes. A la madre. To little small pieces. I use 1 onion, well half an onion, and I chopped it into smaller pieces. And I use 4 straps of like little things of cilantro, and just half of a jalapeno because it was really spicy and I don't do spicy. So I chopped it up to little small pieces. So you leave this to the side, and then you first have to boil the 2 pieces of tilapia, and once it's soft and how I notice that it's good, you just get a fork and you like stab it, and if it's like it separates like neatly, and that means it's done. So then you put it I put it in the bowl, and then you just shred it type, and then you fill it up with lemons. I don't have a lemon juicer, so it doesn't have like a lot of lemon, but if you do have a lemon juicer, then you put it up with a lot of lemon, and then when you're gonna put it into the other container, you like take off the lemon, but mine's gonna stay like this because it doesn't even have enough lemon, so in its flavor, so it's gonna stay like that. But that's pretty much it. It's not getting it, but okay. So once it's done, y también I forgot. You need avocado. I use 1 whole avocado and half of another one. So 1 avocado and a half. And then the other half you're gonna use it for the top, like como para decoración tipo. So here's my shrimp. I had a little bit of salt, peeling it. So I'm gonna leave it like this because están muy chiquitos. I know there's big, you can find bigger ones. I know Sam sells like a big pack que también grandes and you can chop those up. Mine's gonna be like that. So I'm gonna add the shrimp into the bowl. That's done. And then I'm gonna add, well, I'm gonna add first the actual stuff, and then I'll add the tilapia. And I'm gonna add all of this to the bowl. Just saying, I'm not an expert on cooking. I hardly ever cook. I don't know how to cook. You would think I would know how to cook because my mom's like a chef and shit. But I don't. Mi mamá nunca nos like hizo que aprendiéramos a cocinar. Let me just wash this real quick. No. Okay, so I was saying that my mom never really like made us learn how to cook. When she did try, like I remember she was teaching us how to make rice y luego like le estábamos mené el arroz like cada ratito, and she was like, ay no, ese para allá, like you know, están ahí like molestando. So then after that we never tried. So now she's trying to teach me, como que se enoja. She was, yesterday I was making chiles rellenos and then she was like, no, ¿cómo no sabes pelar chiles? And I was like, well, I don't know, you never taught me. Alright, so ya agregué la cebolla, el cilantro, el tomate y puse los camarones a mero abajo y ahora voy a agregar el tilapia arriba. Voy a lavar eso. Algo fácil que he aprendido es que siempre lava los trastes cuando termines de hacer como una certain stuff, para cuando ya termines de cocinar ya está todo limpio, ya nomás vas a sentarte y vas a comer. Y luego después de esto vamos a agregar los aguacates que corté en pedacitos y lo voy a agregar al mero arriba. So I'm gonna add the avocado on the very top from the tilapia. I'm not gonna try to mix it so much just because el aguacate se va a hacer como puré. So I'm gonna try to mix it. Y después de esto lo voy a agregar bien poquito de sal, no mucho. He mirado que otra gente le agrega, ¿cómo se dice? Pepper. Pimienta, pero yo no me le voy a agregar sal porque la pimienta no me gusta mucho. So, déjame agregar un poquito de sal. Y luego también le vas a agregar, y luego le vas a agregar un limón. Jack already tasted the tilapia. Y luego, como había dicho, like I said, I don't have a lemon juicer. Or I don't know if that's what you call it, but that's what I'm calling it. So vas a exprimir como 2 limones. So you're gonna do 2 limones. Y yo me he tardado como unos 20 minutos, pero porque estoy haciendo el video. Pero esto es like really easy. You can literally do it like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Si cortas todo primero mientras se cocina el tilapia y los camarones. Está. Después no le quieres echar mucho limón porque pues ya tiene el sabor de limón que le habías agregado a la tilapia. So, ya cuando tengas la tostada, ya le agregas el limón a tu gusto. So you don't want to add a lot of lemon since you already have lemon from when you added it to the tilapia. This is just so it can have a little bit of flavor on top of it. I know La Let's Do Makeup did this. I didn't know she made it until last night when I had already planned this. And she adds soy sauce to hers. I don't add soy sauce to mine because I personally don't like soy sauce, but I do add Valentina at the end when I have my tostada. I'm gonna wash this and throw this away real quick. Bro, Hunter has a mess right there. If you really want que tenga bastante saborcito, really add tienes que dejar la tilapia remojar. So you have to leave it for at least 30 minutes up to an hour remojando con limón. I honestly since it's just for 2 people, lo malo dejar remojando 15 minutos mientras hice todo lo demás. It has really good flavor. La tilapia todavía sale bien juicy and stuff. So if you're making more como for una fiesta or whatever, for sure leave it remojando for an hour or 30 minutes. So I got these from Aldi as well. I have también la roja. My mom says que it's better to actually make the tostada, but I don't have time for that, so I'm not gonna do that. So yo nomás compré las tostadas bien quebradas, pero bueno. So I'll make one y ahorita voy a hacer, because Alex todavía no llega del trabajo, so you can get all of this at Aldi, guys. Y of course el tomate, la cebolla y el chile, también lo pueden agarrar ahí. This is all I use other than the tomato, avocado, onions, cilantro, and lemons. And I'm pretty sure you have salt at home. If you don't have salt, that's para la mala suerte, so you better get some salt for your house. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a little bit to the tostada. So that's how much I'm gonna add to mine. And then le voy a exprimir un poquito más limón al mío. Not so much. And then I'm gonna add some Valentina. I have an obsession with Valentina. I put it on everything. So I'm just gonna add Valentina. And yep, I love Valentina, so. And then, y ya nomás le voy a agregar más aguacate arriba como para decoración nomás. O si quieres agregarle más aguacate también. Así. And here's your ceviche tostada. Let me see. Let me bring it closer so you can see. Ahí está. It's really easy, guys. It's really good. Está bien sencillo. En verdad lo recomiendo. I'm not a chef. I don't cook. I hardly ever cook. So, yep. Let me see. Oh. I don't know if I will be cutting this video right here, or I would do more of a vlog type of day with Hunter or once Alex is home. But this will be it for right now.